Namaskar students, welcome to this session of e-learning classes. In today's session, we will be discussing movement in birds, birds that can fly as well as birds that cannot fly. So let's start the session. Birds have wings to fly. The forelimbs of birds are in the form of wings which help them to fly. The hind limbs are used for walking, hopping and running as well as for clinging to something. The wings are attached to the breastbone of their body with the help of strong muscles. These muscles help the birds to flap their wings and fly. Birds have hollow bones which make their body light for flying. Now in these pictures you can see the different positions of the birds when they are flying. Now here we can see in slow motion how the birds flap their wings and what is the position of their legs. Now in this picture you can see how a bird is walking over the snow. Since the birds are found in all kind of vegetation, see here you can see these birds which are moving in the water. They have very long legs to move. So here in these pictures you will be able to see 14 different kinds of birds. When you will observe carefully, you will find that according to the size, the length of the legs of the birds also varies. See the bird with webbed feet. Now this is the bird in coastal area which is moving near the seashore. They are adapted to survive here. See, these are the common pigeons which we can see. We are very much familiar with them. This is another bird walking in the grass, bigger in size, with different colors, and how carefully walking. See these baby birds also following their mother. The penguin with the webbed feet. See how they walk. They can swim. You know, they are flightless birds. They can swim, and see how they walk. Now these are hens. You can see how fast they walk. When they are young, they follow their mother. Now these sparrows, you can see these are common sparrows, but these sparrows are found in snowy areas. So they are, having furs which protect them from cold, and they are trying to search their food in the snow, maybe small insects or something else. See, they are in groups. This is ostrich, as we all know. It is the fastest moving animal on two legs. It is having very strong legs. Although the ostrich is a flightless bird, it cannot fly. This is emu. They are walking slowly in these pictures. Though all birds have wings, some cannot fly as wings are too weak for flying. Emu, ostrich and penguin are flightless birds. An ostrich has strong legs and can run very fast. here you can clearly see that how fast an ostrich can run. It can run up to a speed of 70 kilometers per hour, which makes it the fastest animal on two legs. Now this is Kiwi, which also cannot fly. So this is all about today's session, and rest of the topics we'll be covering in the next session. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed. Bye.